I'm just sweeping up a few savings here at the hardware store.
Well, I wonder if you could help me with something. You know, the weather's getting colder outside and I was looking for a space heater, but there's so many available. I'm really confused about what would be the best options for me. What do you recommend?
Well, there are a lot of options to choose from. You know, the one you were looking at here is just a basic radiant heater on the same display. We've got a ceramic heater, an oil-filled heater. This one even has a clock built into it. So you're right, how do you decide? What do you look for? Pretty much any of these heaters that you buy that are designed to plug into a standard electrical outlet use the same amount of electricity, about 1500 watts maximum. So regardless of which heater you choose, even the electric fireplace model, they all produce about the same amount of heat per hour, and they cost about the same to operate. So the real difference is really more of a styling consideration than anything. If you want a fireplace, buy a fireplace. They cost more, of course, but they don't produce any more heat than the less expensive radiant models. Some people prefer the oil-fired models for use in a kid's room because the surface temperature can be a little lower. They provide heat, a more balanced heat. Some of these have fans in them to help distribute the hot air over the space better. This one's kind of interesting. It's got some additional features that account for the higher price. It's got a clock, it's got a programmable thermostat on it. I haven't seen that very often. And it says it's ideal for use in a bathroom. Only they say don't take it in the shower with you.
Okay.
Want to learn more information? We've got an app available that helps you figure out what the cost of operating a space heater is. That's the Save Energy, Save Money app from togetherwesave.com.
One more question for you. Are these safe?
Safety, good point. You know, you do need to, there are a few considerations from a safety standpoint. Most of these are equipped with a safety feature that if the heater tips over, they turn off to reduce the risk of fire. You shouldn't use an extension cord with one because the cord could overheat. It also serves as a trip hazard. You wouldn't want to trip, knock the space heater over and cause a problem. So it's also a good idea only to use the space heater when you're there. If you leave the room, unplug it, turn it off.